So, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. You guys are probably thinking, Breck, what the frick are you wearing? And the answer is, I don't know. Okay, I'm currently going through a midlife crisis. Yeah, so like, I'm gonna wear these and you're gonna like them. So by the title and my suitcase, which is really far away, we are doing a packing with me video again because I am going to LA on Tuesday and it's Sunday. You'll be watching this on Monday, so I'm going to LA tomorrow technically, but technically in 2 days for me. But when you're watching this, it'll be tomorrow. So yeah, I'm doing a packing with me, guys, because you guys like my other packing with me. I like watching packing with me. Here's my suitcase. Alright guys, so for shoes, I'm packing 3 pairs of shoes. Some people might be like, oh, that's an absurd amount of shoes to have on vacation for 4 days, 4 or 5 days. But you know what? I said, like, no, like, we're gonna wear it. My mom told me not to pack all of these, but we're not gonna listen to her. So yeah, I'm packing my Vans. These are these cool looking Vans, and we gotta have the classic blacks to go with like every outfit, right? So we're just gonna put these in. I'm actually gonna put them in nicely because I have OCD. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm packing a pair of my white Roshis because it'll go with some of my outfits. I'm also gonna be a girl for once, so I have this long maxi dress. It's like a really cute dress, Yeah. You guys will probably see these in my vlogs, my outfits. I will show you guys. Just kidding, because I broke my vlog camera, so don't know if that's gonna happen. Also, I wanted to be one of the basic LA girls because, that's in trend. So I got a big jumbo t-shirt. This one's from the Sam Smith concert. It's an extra large, something like that. Yeah, but basically I'm going to wear it as a t-shirt dress because that's what basic girls do. Yeah. Oh, I also went to Marshall's to buy clothes because I have a problem and I feel like I need new clothes for a trip, even though I don't. But you know what, it's fine because I found some cute stuff and it's fine. So I have this top here. It's a very cute top. You guys can see, like, this, when I go on vacation, I wear cute clothes. Like, that's the only time you're gonna see me wearing cute clothes. But yeah, this is a really cute top. It's like flirty. going to finish my packing with me video. Mostly, as you can tell, I still have a lot of space. That's gonna be my straightener and makeup bag in there, and basically, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. And then I have extra room for extra stuff I buy. So yeah, that is gonna finish what I have so far. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like me, subscribe down below. Yeah, I'm probably overpacked, but we'll see. You know, I'll update y'all. But yeah, let me know what other videos you want to see. What you want to see if I'm in LA, and what traveling videos you want to see. So yeah, I love you guys. Do not forget to love yourself. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.